AquaGuard BioSafe. There has been advancement in every sphere of the dental industry, yet the scary dental unit water lines contamination and its detrimental effects are still ignored. The microbial presence can be seen inside the water tubes due to stagnant water. It is possible even with purified water. If this water comes in direct contact with an open wound, then it increases the chance of infection. What is biofilm? As you must be aware that it is a slimy layer of pathogenic microbes that forms inside the dental unit water tubing. Their formation time is quick and within hours they spread a lot. Overnight stagnation of water in the water lines is the main reason for the bacterial growth and formation of the biofilm. Many international researchers show how elaborate and contaminating the spread of biofilm can be. Researchers show that the microbial counts can reach as high as 2 lakh CFU per milliliter within only 5 days of installation of the new dental unit water lines. It also shows how levels of microbial contamination as high as 1 million. As per WHO, the maximum allowed heterotropic count is 500 CFU per milliliter. At Eureka Forbes Limited, this problem was pondered upon with utmost seriousness, and for the first time in the world, a breakthrough innovation for prevention of biofilm formation has been created. A breakthrough that also provides safe and pure water at all times in the dental unit water lines. Presenting the BioSafe by AquaGuard. Most of you must be using water purifier or packaged water in the treatment unit and tap water in the gargling unit. There are many manual solutions like flushing water lines using the bottle attached to the chair after each patient is treated. This is a manual and complicated process, and most of the dentists are unable to follow it because of busy schedule. We are sure you must have faced similar situations. Also, we understand that this ends up wasting a lot of your time and effort, as it needs constant monitoring, and more than often the tap water which runs through them increases the formation of scaling. You obviously then end up frequently replacing the guns or tubes, jets, and cleaning the spittoons. Protect Plus technology uses a resin-based technology that ensures no cross or post-contamination in water lines during water stagnation or prolonged use, thereby delivering healthy water at all times and protecting your patient's health. The Protect Plus cartridge present in BioSafe with its unique demand release technology avoids biofilm formation. We have already applied patent for this unique technology. There are many uses for dental unit water lines. It keeps the water line safe even when not in use, and manual flushing is not needed. Our innovative technology will automatically take care of biofilm formation 24/7. Scaling formation reduces with the dental unit water lines, and there is always presence of clean water. The eye cartridge inside BioSafe protects the water lines from the murky waters by removing suspended mud particles. Then, the smell and color from the water are removed by the ChemiBlock, the specialized reverse osmosis membrane, which removes dissolved solids and microbes, also protects the line from micropollutants like metals, pesticides, and biological. RO technology removes salinity and impurity from the water. This gives the purest of waters to your dental chairs. The inbuilt pressure tank ensures water to the guns is supplied at constant enhanced pressure without the use of air compressor. The built-in HPS is for safety and saves electricity. From pressurized tank, purified water flows through Protect Plus cartridge, which ensures that no biofilm forms in all the unit water lines. BioSafe eliminates scale-forming salts from water and prevents scaling in the gargling unit tubes, the treatment guns, and the water lines. thus extending the lives of the expensive tubing and guns. Hence, you can save on replacement cost. It uses state-of-the-art water purification processes. Backed by over 30 years of experience, Eureka Forbes is the leader in water purification, and we have the widest service network in India. BioSafe is fully automatic and is compatible with all types of dental chairs. We understand, as dentists, how important cleanliness is to you. And with BioSafe, we assure a contamination-free world for you and your patients. So, go ahead and experience this fully automated solution for all your safe and pure water requirements in your dental check.